before we get to this live seller negotiation, why don't y'all subscribe to my channel?
Daddy, stop talking to me.
Emery big mad. We hangry. Been a long day. I'm about to slide this camera in my pocket. We're gonna go look at this house, talk with these sellers. She just hit the phone. Emery, what in the hell? All right. Come on, Em.
Why are you putting this in that pocket?
That's because it's what I gotta do. Damn. Huh. How you doing? I'm Corey.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Yes, he said it's hard.
This is Emery. Emery. Why's the water tagged red tag?
Oh, she turned it off, cut it off.
She cut it off?
Yeah, so they can't cancel it.
Oh, okay. So it's not. It's something with the previous tenants or something like that.
No. It's just she just cut it off, canceled it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they
Good.
can't cut it off, so it won't be used.
Oh, okay. I've never seen them put a tag on there like that.
Yeah.
So I didn't know if there was something wrong. Emery, where are you going?
No, but no, that's it.
Hey, I'm coming in here. Yeah, let's go look. I see the electricity's on.
Yeah.
Y'all have any idea how much y'all want for it?
Dile que no.
She said no, not really. She's just trying to take the best.
Oh, sorry. Okay. This bedroom 2?
Yes, it's with bedroom.
Where's the other bathroom? In here?
Yes, this is in here.
Okay, let me go see where Emery is. There's Emery. What are you doing, Ems? No. Gas hot water heater.
I don't want to
Is that the gas hot water heater? Yeah, it's gas.
Yeah.
Is the furnace gas too or no?
Furnace gas?
Yeah, it's for the central heat and AC.
A veces el aire central de gas, también de...
Ese es el central caliente y frío.
También de furnace. ¿Con piloto y eso?
Sí, el está allá adentro. Dile que tengo una recámara acá atrás que me gustaría que es lo que mirara.
Oh, he said she has another bedroom in the back.
Okay, I was like,
Dile que es la que necesita.
She saw me counting.
Oh, and she said that that's the one that made the mostly needs a little bit of handiwork.
okay.
That might be the only one.
This is the room?
De Sadie.
The roof's leaking?
No leaking. Dile que se está cayendo nada más porque mi esposo lo hizo, pero no sabe.
Oh, she said no, that it's not leaking. It was just the sheetrock on it. It's not well put, so it's.
Oh, okay.
The roof, but it's not leaking.
Okay.
It's just not
Is-
wasn't put on there well.
Is that out the back door?
Yes.
Does the city give y'all problems?
Si la ciudad le da problemas.
No.
No.
Dile que
She said no.
viví 24 años aquí.
She's been here 24 years and she's never had a problem.
Que no se inunda.
And they don't flood. They don't flood.
Oh, well, I'm just looking at the paint. I'm about to paint a house purple in Groesbeck
Okay.
because the city, like, every time we buy one, they, I mean, they don't. It's like they never bothered the previous owners, but then they start hammering us to fix stuff.
Yeah.
And
It's kind of how it is. Like once the new owner goes into another house, they start trying to check up on stuff, and then they try to tag.
and then that's why when I seen the tag on the deal, I was wondering, because like I don't know about that plumbing that's coming out right there, and like the paint, what they're you don't ever know what they're gonna make you do whenever you go to get the utility swapped over. I mean, I like it. It's a big house. What we do is we owner finance. We sell owner to owner, dueño to dueño. Have you thought about that, selling it that way, or?
Dile que no quieren pagar.
They don't want to pay.
Okay.
Dile que yo que lo único que la quiero vender porque ya no tengo quien viva aquí, que solamente somos yo y tío.
She was just trying to get rid of it because she don't got nobody else to live in it now.
Right.
And it's just here. They're living somewhere else. And they're
Right. No, right.
So they were just trying to. They ain't got no use for it no more.
Y luego dile que empecé a rentarla, pero la gente siempre me queda debiendo.
Oh, and they try to rent it out, but people always keep on
Tearing stuff up.
with that, and they don't pay.
Yeah. Oh, no, I know. We got 101 rent houses. We chase rent every month. Would y'all take 30 cash?
Que si recibiría 30,000 cash.
Dile que es bien poquito.
She said it's kind of not that much. They said it's not that.
No, I know, but you can drive right down here to 13th Street, go to the corner house. There's a white house on the corner on an acre. We got $47,000 in that house. It appraised for 32. So we're not we like this side of Corsicana. You just I mean, it just is what it is. And that house we remodeled the whole thing. And so we. Emery, no ma'am. Stay out of there. That's poison ivy.
Yes, poison ivy.
Get out. Do not touch that ball again.
Casa donde vi el anuncio está en la salida de la casa de mamá.
But that's I mean, I don't without knowing what you want. I mean, the only other thing we could do is owner finance it from her. Like, you know what I mean? Like.
Que eso lo que uno puede hacer como 30,000 así que o que financiársela de dueña a dueña. Porque dice que de este lado del barrio es duro venderlas y
give us $5,000 down, pay you in payments out over 15 years, and then we might do 50.
Que tal vez así de dueño tal vez pueden dar 50, pero así que tal vez te darán 5,000 así todo y luego lo demás como en pagos, pero 50,000 a la larga.
Pero no él, sino que yo tengo que buscar el.
So but you wouldn't be able to do that, would you? That saying what you said right now about paying her the 5,000 and then.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we could do that.
Dice que sí pudieran hacer eso.
¿Cómo? Que me explique bien, ya me perdí.
She's saying how you gonna do it, owner to owner.
Yeah, owner to owner. We pay her, and then we rent it out and deal with the tenants and stuff like that.
So yeah, we pay her how much up front?
5,000, and then payments. I don't know what it would be.
Oh, dice que ellos la rentarían y que le darían 5,000 cash a usted y luego ellos la rentarían y le darían a usted de pagos y tal vez ya subiera a $50,000 porque te va a estar en pagos.
¿Y ya cómo serían los pagos? ¿Cómo es la mensualidad?
And you're saying that on the payments of how much it would be for her, you would have to look at how much.
I would have to look at it, but it would be probably somewhere around $450. But she wouldn't have no. That's not. She wouldn't have to pay no taxes or insurance or anything out of that. It would just be $450 straight money.
¿Al mes?
Every month.
Yeah, every month.
Al mes, pero que no tendría que preocuparse de las taxas ni de la aseguranza ni nada de eso.
No, dile que no, que yo por lo menos buscaba 45.
She said she was at least trying to get 45.
45?
Yeah.
Well, I just offered her 50.
Oh, but she's saying like cash.
Oh, cash?
Mm-hmm.
She's like in a tight situation right now. She was trying to get some money.
Emery.
Ahorita necesito 10,000.
Because right now she needs like emergency, like she's in an emergency where she needs like 10,000.
Right now?
Right now. So that's why she was really trying to. She wasn't trying to sell it, but now that she's in an emergency, she's kind of trying to do what she needs to do to get that money.
I might be able to try to get 10,000 down, owner finance, but that's going to be hard.
Que va a tratar de agarrar 10,000 y que va a ser duro.
I mean, if the house didn't need to work, you know what I mean,
Que tal vez si
then we could get you more money down. But
que si tal vez no
I mean,
tanto trabajo, o tal vez si no necesitara el trabajo tanto la casa, que fuera más de down que le dieran a usted, pero tal vez va a intentar trabajar, meterle una mano de gasto para.
I know 45 cash won't. We can't. I mean, we'll have to do. We'll have to do too much work, and then we'll end up with.
Darle 45 cash porque tienen que hacerle un trabajo.
But I mean, we could. I mean, 30 cash is a good offer,
Pero que
and then
cash dice que es una buena oferta porque es 30,000 cash.
Dile que ese fue uno que me daba 35 y no los quise.
Oh, she's saying that she let go of offer yesterday with 35,000.
oh well, I mean, I would consider taking that. I mean, I think that's a fair offer.
Que hubiera tal vez tomado los 35 porque es algo bueno para este lado del.
¿Sí?
I mean, I don't know the other buyer. You know what I mean? Like I don't know who it is or who it ain't. You know, we buy. I mean, we've done that house on 13th Street. We've done another house on Mockingbird. We're buying one out here by the lake. I mean, we've probably done 10 houses here in Corsicana.
Dile que ya sé de qué casa me está hablando, pero esa casa está bien chiquita.
She's saying that she knows what house you're talking about, but that she said that it's small.
No, it is small. It is small,
And this is a big one.
but it has an acre of land.
Pero que tiene un acre de propiedad.
I mean,
The old yard in the back is yours.
that's all the way down to the other house. So I mean, but the house, we didn't expect that. You know what I mean? Like we thought for sure that house was going to be worth 70,000. I mean, we thought we would have never bought it like that. But then we found out we contested the appraisal, we fought the appraisal, and then we got a second appraisal, and it didn't do us any good. This side of town, nothing ever sells that they can see. The data, it all sells like this, all sells cash off the market, so they don't have any data. And the data they do have, all the houses sell for like 20,000, or you know what I mean? It's just real low numbers.
Real low numbers.
So it just drags everything down. I mean, this is a big house. I mean, it's got a lot more square footage, but we just don't risk it like that no more, because that house over there, the city made us replumb it. There wasn't nothing wrong with the plumbing. You know what I mean? They just wouldn't give us water until we replumbed it. Well, that was $5,000 we weren't expecting. They just, you know, every time there's a new owner, they're just hard on us. And so I mean, our 30 offer is good on this. Like, I mean, I feel like if we got it for 30, we could do some repairs and sell it owner to owner, you know, for 65, 70, and that would be our game plan.
70 plus interest, or is
No, with interest. I mean, I feel like we could sell it for that once we fix it. Like, and I feel like you could sell it for that too. You know what I mean? I mean, there's plenty of buyers in the market that are looking. I feel like you could sell it right now to the end buyer, owner finance, if you wanted to mess with that. If you don't want to mess with it, then you know what I mean, then we could buy it from your owner finance and do that. I just don't know if we'll be able to give 10,000 down, and that's, I mean, the reason why I want to hold back money is because I want to hold back money in case I got to do repairs. Because
Dile pues que voy a pensarlo, a ver si lo dejo por los 30.
She's gonna sleep on it and see if she let you go for the 30.
Okay. I mean, just let us know. I mean, we're in no hurry.
Yes.
Y'all caught us at a good time. We've got money now, but in 2 weeks we'll be broke again. So, I mean, don't. Yeah, because we're buying now. I mean, you caught us at a good time.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Dile que si me decido que yo le llamo mañana.
She's gonna sleep on it and she's gonna leave the car.
Okay. Come on, Emery. Even though you got she got a gun and a knife now. Hey, come here. We gotta go. We gotta. Emery, don't be pointing a gun at people. You know better than that. Hey, come on, let's go.
We gotta go this way, right?
Oh, there's no gate. There's a gate.
No, it's okay.
Come on, Emery. Put the gun and the toy up. Put it up. We're leaving. We're going to eat. Do what? Well, you're gonna be over here playing by yourself, because I ain't playing over here no more. Go put those toys up. Go put them up.
Just
What?
sleep on it and then give her a call.
Okay.
Isela, her name.
Okay. I'll call her.
Gotta go.
She went to put the guns up. I hope she'll come back around. Come on, Emery. She got poison ivy now, anyways.
You think so?
Yeah. You just kicked the ball? Okay.
But Daddy, I still have the fleas.
Oh.
I still have the fleas, Daddy.
Well,
You still have the
good for
fleas.
Thank you for coming out.
No problem. She says she still has the fleas. Where do you have fleas? Where'd you get fleas from? Do what? Oh, okay.
And I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I thought she said Grosbeck. I was like, yeah, that is where we're from.
Bye. You have a good one, dude.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I want to go see the kitty cats and pet them.
I don't know what you're talking about, but
Over there at that house.
no, them cats, they bad.
Cats are nice.
Whatever. Whatever. I don't know if y'all saw that. Anyways, we did owner finance another house on the same side of town for $75,000, and it was a lot smaller. It was a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, and it didn't have central heat and AC. This one does need a lot of work, but we got it for 30. We could sell it for 60 as is.
I just think now you don't like me, guys.
Emery throwing in her 2 cents. Baby, get buckled up. We gotta go. But I'll see y'all later. I hope y'all got something from that.
Hey, wait. Keith.
Made 2 offers.
And we live in Rosbeck.
Kind of dug in. Don't really need the inventory right now.
Fire. And now we're gonna go eat.
Now we're gonna go eat. So I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all later.